Hazrat Abu Shuraih Adawi radiallahu anhu said to Amr bin Said, the ruler of Medina appointed by Yazid the Wigged, when he was dispatching troops to Makkah Mukarramah to face Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiallahu anhu, O chief, permit me to narrate to you the saying of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which he said on the day following the conquest of Makkah, which both of my ears heard and my heart preserved. And I was beholding him with my both eyes while he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was addressing. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam, after praising and glorifying Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, not people, has made Makkah Mukarramah a sanctuary. So it is not permissible for anyone who believes in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and the day of resurrection to shed blood in it or chop its tree. If someone put forward the fighting of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam as a proof, tell him that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu granted his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, not you, the permission, and permitted his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam only for some time. Then its sanctity was restored to it as previously it was, and it is intact even today. So the present should convey it to the absentees. Abu Shuraih was asked, what did Amr bin Said reply to you? He said that he said, O Abu Shuraih, I know it more than you. Sanctuary does not give shelter to the one who is sinner or who feels after killing or from a calamity. Imam Bukhari radiallahu anhu says, Al-Khariba means calamity. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4295.